our work isn't to be in ventral all the time. It's to learn how to have capacity, go into dorsal freeze and then open into safety, go into sympathetic and come out of it. Our work isn't to be in ventral all the time. It's to have flexibility to go from dorsal up the ladder, the autonomic ladder, into sympathetic, into ventral. Now, the cool part about this, if you learn this, it gives you a slight advantage in your worth as a partner. Because when I look at my wife and I can tell when she's in dorsal, because she's got so overwhelmed, she hasn't slept, she's looking after the kid, whatever it was. And then I go in there and I see her and I'm like, oh, she's in dorsal. I know how to get her out. I go, tell me how you're feeling, babe. And she starts feeling, and I go, it's okay to feel the sadness. And then I validate the sadness and I get her into her tears. And the second I get her into her tears, boom, she's now gone from dorsal up into sympathetic. And then I just validate and hold space for those. And then boom, she's now in ventral. You must feel your way out. You can't think your way out of this, gentlemen. Those of you who have medical degrees and really advanced training have a huge disadvantage in this, because you've developed your sense of worth in being in cognition. But in this line of mastery, it's all about being able to work with that energetic feeling sense, which is the feminine within you, and be a safe container for your own feelings. And then once I learn how to do that, I can then do that for my partner. This is why I love teaching this, especially to men, because it just gives you a superpower, because you're no longer victimized by your woman's emotions when you get this right. And women, you're no longer victimized by your partner, your men, when they're having their big emotions. You're able to be compassionate with one another, especially if both of you are willing to do this work together. Huge advantage. Like, I'm looking and I'm like, there is like a huge upside when both parties are willing to take on the work.